In this video, I'll cover stair tread adjustments, automatic treads, locking tread widths, and the number of treads, riser heights, both automatic and manual, and then ignore stair subsection boundaries when you have multiple stair segments. When you have a set of stairs in the program and you click and drag to adjust those stairs, both the tread and the riser height are in automatic state. When you open up the stairs on the general panel, you'll find these settings underneath the advanced options. First setting is the automatic treads. If I change this and lock the tread depth, you can now control exactly what the tread depth is versus an automatic setting. When you set the tread depth, in this case at 10 inches, and then you resize the stairs, the tread depth will then move and stay locked at the value you entered in for the depth. The other setting for your tread information is to lock the number of treads. If I were to change this tread number also to 10, and then as I resize the stairs, you'll notice that that tread number stays fixed at the number you entered. I'll change that back to lock the tread depth at 10. Underneath the automatic heights, when I uncheck the automatic heights option, if I wanted to change the riser height to 7 inches, you'll see the preview update. Of course, that's a very minor change in the height. That gives you the ability to specify the riser height information. There's also the option where you can set the reference for your floor and landing and top tread for that information, and the option to lock either the top or the bottom depending on what's important for your design. Let's take a look at the setting for ignore subsection boundaries in the next scenario. For stairs that don't have a landing, in this case off to the right hand side of my screen is an S-shaped set of curves. There is no landing, and when you go back into the dialog, towards the bottom you can see the 5 different sections, and when you uncheck the automatic heights you can come in and make adjustments to each one of the riser heights. Typically it's important to have the same riser height. There is an option for ignore subsection boundaries. This will consolidate the stair sections, and then you can come in and make a single change to the riser height, enter in the value, press the tab key, you'll see the preview, and then the stairs will adjust. The ignore stair subsection boundaries again only works on those stairs without a landing. You'll notice that the U-shaped and the L-shaped stairs both have a landing, and when you go in and make any changes in here, the option to ignore subsection boundaries does not have the same result as those stairs do without landings. That wraps up this video on stair treads and risers. For more information, please see the built-in help system as well as our other videos. Thanks for watching.